Hello kids! Welcome to our reading lesson. Today we're going to learn to read 3-letter words. Are you ready? Let's go! First, let's say all the vowels. Vowels are special words that helps us to read. Let's say the vowels together. A, E, I, O, A. Again. A, E, I, O, A. Now it's your turn to say the vowels, kids. This is letter R. It says R. And look at these words. They all have the letter R and the vowel A. R, A says ra, ra. Again, R, A says ra. Now say the first sound R and the vowel A, but hold out the vowel sound. Don't stop and say the last letter. Are you ready? Let's try. R, A, rag. R, A, rat. R, A, ran. R, A, ram. Good job, kids. Now it's your turn to say. Well done, kids. Look, this letter says T, T, A, ta. Let's read. T, A, tag. T, A, tap. T, A, tan. T, A, tab. Good job, kids. Now it's your turn to say. S, A, sat. S, A, sad. Good job, kids. Now it's your turn to say. Well done, children. Today you learned how to read 3-letter words with the vowel sound A. Go ahead and keep on practicing at home, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video, kids. Bye-bye.